4s and 23s today, but it took a 24-1 to make it back, a swim at night. You saw how that heat was won with a 23-6. So, I mean, just so tight. There's a lot of depth here in this 50 free. And out marches the finalist. It took a 23-79 to make it back in this A final. So this A final starts off with Abigail Ratz, 16 years old from the Schrader Y. She was 23-7 this morning. That's lane 2, Alexandra Myers, her teammate from Schrader Y, also 16 years old. In lane 3, Shannon Routh, third last year from Upper Main Line Y. Lane 4 is Jenna Imormino, 18 years old from Somerset Hills. Jenna was 9th last year, so she's happy to be in this final and in one of the top 3 positions. Lane 5 is Katrina Konopka, 14 years old from Middle Tiger. Coach Peter Wright keeps them coming. 23:00 was her time this morning for the top seed. Will she get close to Margot Gear's record of 22:06 as a 14-year-old? Unbelievable. Let's see what happens. Lane 5, that's lane 6, excuse me, Maddie Rush, 16 years old from New Canaan. Lane 7, that's Chase Kinney, 17 years old from North Canton Community Y. Lane 8, that's Adriana Grabski from Sunbury Branch, 16 years old. She was 39th last year, really moved up big time, 23.4 in the morning. Lane 9, that's Elizabeth McDonald from Cheshire Y. She was 4th last year and head to Princeton. So fast and smart. And lane 10, Katie Saloki from Sunbury Branch. So she's also 16, just like her teammate over in lane 8, Adriana Grabski. Women's 50 freestyle. Katrina Konopka, 14 years old. She is, whoa, great turn by her. Oh, she hit that breakout beautifully. She's got 2 feet on the field, 14 years old, swimming like she's 24. Nice long strokes, great turnover, didn't breathe. 22:69, just 2 100ths off the record. Beautiful first lap, killed her turn. I don't know how much, she didn't hardly breathe at all, that whole thing. That was an absolutely beautiful race. Katrina Konopka, all eyes on her. Lane 2nd place, Maddie Rush with a 23.2. And 3rd place, Jenna Imormino. Wow, fastest girl in the country for